Feel like online knitting tutorials just don't quite cut it? They're helpful, sure, but often lack that real classroom vibe. Let's explore why a particular knitting lesson truly feels like a genuine class. Not just a quick tutorial. Firstly, it's about the instructor. In a real class, you have a teacher who's passionate, knowledgeable, and patient. This lesson replicates that. The instructor's clear explanations and enthusiasm are infectious. They don't just show you what to do, they explain the why behind each stitch, making it easier to understand and remember. Then there's the structure. A good class has a clear, logical progression. This lesson mirrors that. It likely starts with the basics, like casting on and the knit stitch, and gradually builds to more complex techniques. This structured approach helps you build a solid foundation, unlike tutorials that sometimes jump around or assume prior knowledge. Next up, the visual aids. Real classes often involve demonstrations and visual examples. This lesson probably uses high-quality visuals, close-ups, and multiple camera angles. This makes it easier to follow the instructor's hands and see how the yarn and needles interact. It's like having a front-row seat to the whole process. Another key element is the pace. Real classes proceed at a manageable speed. This lesson likely allows you to pause, rewind, and practice at your own pace. The instructor's clear and unhurried style ensures you don't feel overwhelmed. They give you the time to absorb the information and practice the techniques. Furthermore, consider the problem-solving aspect. In a real class, you can ask questions and get personalized help. Although this is a tutorial, it may offer solutions for common mistakes. They anticipate your potential issues and provide clear solutions, helping you feel supported throughout the learning process. Also, consider the sense of community. Real classes create a supportive environment, where you can learn alongside others. This lesson might include a comment section, a forum, or links to social media groups where you can connect with fellow knitters. This fosters a sense of belonging, and allows you to share your progress and ask for advice. Finally, the lesson likely offers opportunities for practice. The instructor might suggest projects to try or provide downloadable patterns. This hands-on practice is crucial for solidifying your skills and building confidence. It's like getting homework assignments to reinforce what you've learned. In conclusion, this knitting lesson feels like a real class because of its structure. Instructor, visuals, pace, problem-solving support, community, and practice opportunities. It provides a comprehensive and engaging learning experience that goes beyond a simple tutorial, making knitting accessible and enjoyable. It transforms learning from a passive, watching experience to an active, engaging class.